Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Friends, today I am making chicken curry again. So, first of all, I am frying the potatoes here. You can see, frying them first. Today I am going to use tomato, dhania patti, this is garam masala, this is chicken masala, Kashmiri mirch powder, onions, this is the masala paste, and this is the meat, the chicken which I have washed and kept. Friends, today I am going to make ordinary, simple, very simple chicken curry. I hope you all will like it. Potatoes fried up. Now I will take them out. Friends, I have taken out the potatoes. You can see the potatoes are taken out. Now I will fry the onions. This is the cut up onions here. Friends, this is the masala paste, ginger, garlic, onion and jeera and black pepper. I made the paste. Now I will put turmeric powder. This is turmeric powder. This is red chili powder. This is dhania powder. This is Kashmiri mirch powder. Friends, this I am going to use in the masala. Friends, you can see this is the onions turned brown. It's gone brown, golden brown, you can see. I will put the salt. Then I will put the chicken. Friends, I have put in the chicken. This I have cut up 3 tomatoes. This also I will put in. This is the masala which I am going to use now. This also I will put in. Friends, this is the chicken masala. This also I will put in. Mix it well. Now I will cover this. I will let all the masalas fry along with the chicken. Friends, see the chicken and the masalas are frying over here. You can see. A little more I will fry it. Friends, you can see the chicken and the masala is fried up well. And nice aroma also is coming out from the curry. Friends, now this fried up potato I will put. Now I will add some water. The potatoes are half fried up. This is the garam masala. This also I will put in now. Friends, some coriander leaves, dhania patti. This also I have added. Cover it up and let the curry cook till the potatoes are tender. Today I made the chicken curry very simple, ordinary way. I hope you all like it. Thanks for watching my video.